I'll call my good friend Brit.
Hello?
Babe, are you ready to go to Crop Over this year in Barbados?
I'm sitting on the couch, got my orange chips,
What? On the couch? Eating what?
got my floral shirt on. I am so ready.
You're definitely not ready. Let me tell you, there are 5 things that you must do in order to be ready for Crop Over. Yes, a list. 5 things.
So what is this list you're talking about?
Number 1, crunches.
I have been eating Doritos all day, but crunches?
You're going to be in a beautiful handmade costume. You want to make sure you've got it right and you've got it tight. 2, cardio.
Cardio? It's a parade. I've been in a parade before. You just, walk down the street with a bunch of people with your rum punch in your hand, dancing a soca. Like, how hard could it be?
Oh, you'll see. Number 3, twerking. You're going to be prancing and dancing, jumping and jiving, grinding and winding down the streets of Barbados. You are going to need to be able to twerk your butt off. Well, or twerk your butt. But either way, practice.
Twerking? Man, I got that. Hey! I don't need no help there. What else is on the list, Bridge?
And 4, lyrics to the soca music you're going to be listening to all day long. Of course, nobody knows what they're saying, but you just want to sing along, right?
You're right.
And 5, learn as much as possible about our girl Riri. Don't you want to be a bad bitch like Riri? Don't you want to have a hot girl summer? Yes, then you must do all of these things on the list so that you will be ready.
You're right. This is crucial.
And once you do all 5 of these things on the list, you will be ready for Barbados Crop Over.
I'm on it.
Good luck and Godspeed.
Gucci!
Gucci. Cheers.